Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. As you can see, we're away again, caravan. But this video, I thought I'll just put a short little video out explaining what's going on, a bit of an update, you might say. We haven't put a lot of videos out, and the reason for that, two reasons really. Health issues, and secondly, we've had nothing to put out. We haven't really done anything new. Been a bit boring, you might say, lately. This is our third trip away this year, and it's the third time to this site. And this site, we've done it before. We've done a video of it. It's Clifton's Farm, CL. What I do, I put a link up here, or it might be up there. I can never get that right. So if you want to have a look at the place, but I thought there's no point doing another video of it, and that's been what's happening all year basically so far. There hasn't been a lot of point putting videos out because we haven't done anything, and I don't want to put videos out just for the hell of it. We haven't really got anything planned this year. The only thing we've got planned is our yearly trip down to Cornwall, and if people with noses, they know where we're going. And next year we're hoping to meet up with some friends from across the pond. They're coming over here, Earl and Terry. I follow them on YouTube. If you don't know, I'll put a picture of their YouTube channel up here, and go over if you like it, subscribe, like them. And we're supposed to be meeting up for a day next year, hopefully, if health is okay. But that is all we've got planned. So until we do something, I can't see the point of putting a video out. We are still going to put videos out. The channel hasn't closed, so please stay with us. And if something new comes along, I'll do it. But like I say, no point putting old stuff out or repeating stuff. Just a waste of time. People get bored. I think people get bored enough with me anyway, so I don't want to make it even worse. So what I'd say is bye for now, but keep an eye out for us, because if something comes out, it will be new. Until the next one, bye.